The unit is equipped with 3 limit switches, one located here, one located in the same on the opposite side, and 1 limit switch here. These are to ensure that if any door is opened while the unit is running, this will kill power to the motor to ensure nobody can get access to the rotating components and get injured when they should not be accessing them. The tongue actuators are positioned in such that they will engage when the doors are shut, as well as on the end door.